Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I would like to talk about CSV Localizer helper tool, which is built in C Sharp Windows Form application, which helps to create your localizable strings, one for iOS and Android. Let me tell you in detail what is localization. Localization is simply the process of translating your app into multiple languages in situation like you need support multiple language, including API response, messages, and dynamic strings. So you need a list of localizable strings file, and you need to localize it based on the language you want. For example, Urdu, Hindi, English, Chinese, Japanese, Turkish, French, and many others. So when you want to internationalize your project, it always headache to maintain the localizable strings files. So in order to solve this problem, the CSV localizer tool will help you to generate localizable strings file. So you just have to prepare your CSV file. For example, uh, if you have 400 strings and you want to localize it into 3 or more languages. So let's say if you have 400 strings and you want to convert them into three different languages, so it will be 1200 strings. So it will be a headache to make them copy and paste one by one. It will consume a lot of time. So in order to solve this problem, you just need to prepare your CSV file, and you can use my localizable CSV localizer tool, which is built in C Sharp Windows Form application, as you see on the screen. So this is just a simple Windows Form application. You just have to first load your strings. I mean to say CSV localizable file, which you have to prepare for the localization. Let me load this. First of all, here I have put a column key where you have to make a key. So and then three different languages here: English, French, and Turkish. So message is the key, hello is the word, which is in English, salute in French, and marhaba in Turkish. So here we have three different languages, and it will create six files, three for Android and three for iOS. If you click on both iOS and Android, here I give the options, one for iOS and Android. If you want to convert only iOS, you can uncheck this, or if you want to convert in Android, you can uncheck iOS. If you want both, you can use both of them. So after loading, I just click on generate. It will convert my CSV file into localizable strings for iOS and Android. As you see here, I have used messages and percentage and percentage bar. So it will notify you that how many percentage are done and how many times it will take. So translation finished, please check the corresponding source file. So if I will click on this, it will also ask me to open the location of the files where the files are generated. So let me click on this. Here you see we have two folders, one for Android and iOS. Let me check Android. Here you see the sources, and we have three different folders, one for English, French, Turkish. So let me click on English and open it in Notepad tool. So here you see, if you are an Android developer, you will you can understand this very easily, clearly. So, and that this is the resource XML file for the localizable strings. So it automatically generate localizable strings for different languages. So no, let me check iOS. So it will be different. Its extension is lproj, and let me open this. It's just message is the key, and hello is the word. As you see in this, key is the message and hello is the word of the English. So thanks for watching.